Do you guys want to make some chicken? Roast chicken? Well, roast chicken legs. Yeah, let's do it. I wonder if I can turn this around. Nope. Yep. I don't know if you can see them. Look how close little buddy's sleeping to Chatty. It's like he loves her. And there's Tups. Hey, bud. I don't even know how that looks. Okay, we're gonna turn on the oven. 350. That should be good. All right, we have a layer of green beans, a few sliced onions. I put some whole garlic cloves in there. I'm gonna lay this carrots on top, and I think I'm going to do this, and then put the chicken on top of here. I was trying to think of the best way to do it.
Are you using our method?
Yeah,
like
well,
cooking
kind of.
It below and a
Yeah,
pan?
yeah. And then I'll put the chicken on top.
I said the garlic.
I'm gonna mix up some of this bouillon. It's a bit dramatic. So I'm mixing up some of this. Oh no. It's the Butters Tupper Show. Santa's watching you, buds. He's got no presents. Alright, we're gonna place some potatoes around here. And we'll put some chicken over here. Alright, I placed my chicken. I have 4 thighs. I'm gonna season the meat. This is meat tenderizer. Oh, you don't belong in there. Paprika. Celery sticks. Italian seasoning. is ready to go in the oven. We're gonna start it at 350, probably for 2 hours total, and I might actually make it a lower heat too. I might make it 300.